This is a batch file. It's a script from the MS-DOS days that automates tasks. It's just a list of commands saved as text. You can open it in Notepad to see exactly what it plans to do. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read the script. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful BAT file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. A .bat file is a script file for the Windows command line interpreter, cmd.exe. Users create or encounter these files to automate repetitive tasks, run system commands, or launch programs in a sequence. The primary user intent is often to inspect the script for safety before running it or to edit its commands. This is a plain text file containing a series of commands to be executed sequentially by the Windows command prompt. The format was designed for simplicity and directness, allowing system administrators and power users to automate OS-level tasks without needing a complex programming environment. Each line is interpreted as a separate command. The preferred application for managing the BAT file is Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows shows the script's text, yet running it properly requires the correct interpreter. We need to check all possibilities. Right-click the BAT file and select Open With. If Microsoft Windows is there, use it. If not, choose a different program. It's often a simple matter of finding the right software hook. If you are still having trouble opening the BAT file, do not worry. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, reviewing before running. Open BAT files in Notepad or any text editor before execution to review the contained commands. Avoid running batch files from unknown sources as they can perform potentially harmful operations. Review commands ensuring they match expected behavior before executing, especially when running with administrative privileges. Next, running batch files. Execute BAT files by double-clicking in File Explorer or running from Command Prompt. Right-click and select Run as Administrator for commands requiring elevated privileges. The script executes commands sequentially displaying output in a console window unless redirected to log files for later review. Finally, editing for customization. Edit BAT files in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code for syntax highlighting and improved editing experience. Modify commands, paths, or parameters to customize script behavior for your specific needs. Test modifications carefully, especially for scripts performing destructive operations like file deletion or system configuration changes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.